You can control noise cancellation mode on your AirPods Pro from your iPhone, Apple Watch, or AirPods themselves. Press and hold the force sensor, a small touchpad built into the stem of the AirPod, until you hear a chime. By default, this will toggle between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. Noise cancellation will block as much outside noise as possible, so you can hear what's coming through your headphones clearer. And transparency mode amplifies the outside noises and mixes them with your music, so you can hear what's going on around clearer. You can customize these noise control options on your iOS device. Open your Settings app. Click Bluetooth. Then click the eye next to the AirPods you want to customize. Under Press and Hold AirPods, you can choose what the left or right AirPod does when you press and hold the stem. It can either adjust noise control by switching between noise cancellation, transparency, or off, or it can enable Siri. While wearing your AirPod Pros, slide down the top right corner of the screen to access your control center. Press and hold the volume meter. Click on Noise Control and choose between noise cancellation, off, or transparency. While wearing your AirPod Pros and currently listening to audio, from the Apple Watch home screen, click the Now Playing app icon at the top. Then click the AirPlay icon at the bottom left of your Apple Watch's screen. And choose between noise cancellation, off, or transparency.